We're going to talk about after we've been clean for 30 days. 30 days? You're feeling really good about yourself. I know I felt good about myself after 30 days. My mind was a little bit more clearer. I was learning information about my addiction and how it affected me and how my body reacted and how my brain was. And all this information was overwhelming me. I realized that the problem wasn't the drug use. It was the problem before the drug use. But it's a very heavy pill to swallow. I also was looking at my situation and the problems that I created for loved ones. Because I believed in my addiction, that I found out that I was a very selfish person, that only was focused on myself and no one else. The getting, the using, the manipulation to make sure I have more. Whatever I had to do, whatever I had to say, whatever I had to put into effect to make sure that I had my next fix.